Welcome to Science 35, a next-generation digital powerhouse designed to help your students prep for the Grade 5 ELS assessment. Science 35 bridges the gap between practice and mastery by pairing state-aligned assessments with engaging virtual labs and interactive challenges. It all starts with pinpointing exactly what they know. First, students tackle a disciplinary core idea aligned with New York science standards. This initial check identifies their unique strengths and hurdles. Then, the magic happens. The system analyzes student performance in real time, instantly launching a tailored, self-directed learning experience using immersive virtual labs. Science 35 concludes each lesson by rechecking for mastery to quantify student progress. Core idea cards change color to green to indicate mastery, and on-screen silver and gold medallions are awarded for exceptional work. The best part? Zero paperwork. Science 35 scores everything automatically, reporting student and class progress straight to your dashboard. It's also perfect for 5th graders needing a high-speed review of Grade 3 and 4 content. Science 35, Science Success, Simplified. For more information, contact support@stemsims.com.